Hello everyone, this is Brika from Hot Tub. In our daily life, the demand for air quality is increasing and updating. Now, just the fresh air cannot meet the demands. People require not only fresh air, but also comfortable air, clean and safe air. Hot Tub as #1 manufacturer of air treatment units in China with 20 years. We develop many products which can solve those questions at one stop. If you want fresh and safe air, we have lots of series solutions to meet your demands. For example, the combination of our UVC box and the EcoVent ERV is a good solution. First, I'd like to introduce the UVC box features. The UVC box structure is very simple. It including the UVC lamp and the photocatalyst filter solution. Moreover, it can be 110 watts or 220 watts. And third is certificates including CE and FCC, and they are all completed for no matter EU market and American market. And next, I'd also like to introduce our EcoSlim design, our EcoVent Pro series. This model has 4 main advantages, including first, durable appearance design and excellent anti-corrosion performance. Second, integrated EPS structure. Third, super slim body design and 20% weight off than previous ERV. First, easy maintenance access door at the bottom. Fifth, different controllers for different options. So, if you want to know more about our product, please contact us anytime. Thank you.